Friends, this is Dr. Rahul Joshi. I am a consulting homeopath. A lot of singers come to me and complain that they have problems in singing. Problems can be of different types. Problems can be of singing in high notes. Ah, ah, ah. Problem can be singing at lower notes. Problems can be the cracking of the voice, the hoarseness of voice. Problems can be towards maintaining one note or one swara for a long time. Well, I am also a singer and trying to learn singing. Hence, I can probably understand with the problems which the singers or the speakers face with. Of course, it's very important to get a ENT examination done and to see whether there is a vocal polyp which might be a cause, and a treatment adequately should be taken. But most importantly, the treatment is voice rest. You should not talk much, you should not talk loudly, and anyways, singers should talk a bit softly. You should not talk in this voice. You should talk in this voice. You should not talk to your spouse from one room to another. Hi, Vera, you should not shout at your children. You should talk very in a soft tone and in a soft volume. This is how you must talk. And whispering, that is also not good because that also gives a lot of strain to the vocal cords. Singers, I appeal to you that shows are important, very important, but you can't do a shows to such an extent where you lose your voice because of the strain. It's very important that you keep adequate rest to the voice and sleep a lot, drink a lot of water, keep on sipping warm drinks all the time. I advocate these kadhas to my patients. Kadhas have honey, warm water, then lemon, then it can have jeshtimad, it can have sitopaladi churan, it can have tulsi, kali miri, all these things also, and of course parijat ka pan. Parijat means prajakta. Okay, parijat, those beautiful flowers which have got a orange stem and white flowers, remember? So these are the parijat. These plants also are very important. Their leaves are important to give you a good voice. Friends, having said that, now I'm a homeopath. You may be asking, now tell me some homeopathic treatment. Singers, whenever you get very tired out of the voice, you can take medicines like Rustox and Arnica, which are also helping the cartilage to get out of that worn out condition. Friends, there are a lot of drugs for vocal polyps, for hosts of polyps, like Argentum nitricum, Thuja. Constitutional medicine works the best. Causticum, Rustox, all these also help in getting the vocal cords in shape and the hoarseness of voice which is lost sometimes. But a homeopath has to take your detailed history, he has to understand you as a person, your mental status, and prescribe a medicine which is matching your physical and mental makeup. But friends, sometimes it happens that we are in a state where we want a voice producer, instant voice producer. What to do? Where the voice is just lost. I have a program right now, I have a concert, and my voice is lost. And there's a remedy called as coca, which is an instant voice producer. You can take coca in a mother tincture and put drops of coca, and that will give rise to a good voice immediately. Causticum, Rustox, Arnica, Thuja, Medroinum, all these are important drugs which come up in a case of vocal problems. So friends, to summarize my lecture today, homeopathy can offer a great deal of use and help in tackling these cases of vocal problems, of singing problems, like cracking of the voice, like losing the tone and the timbre or the timbre of the voice, like not able to take the high notes, not able to take the low notes. The voice quality which was thick before become thin. All these find place in homeopathic repertory, and I have treated a number of patients with vocal problems, even with vocal nodules. However, vocal nodules have to be seen by ENT surgeon under supervision, and because vocal cord is a very thin layer of cartilage, and we have to take utmost care of that. But friends, let me tell you, nothing beats a good riyaz for singers. So see that you are in everyday riyaz, number one. And number two, don't take up too many shows which will spoil your voice. I'm Dr. Rahul Joshi. I'm a consulting homeopath and operating from Bombay, from Mumbai. My number is 93-239-71760. Please WhatsApp me. I will answer your questions and help you to the best I can. Thank you. Have a good day.